Barry and I talk a lot about, the history of a lot of people just hire people to hire people just to get a warm body because the turnover in our industry is like around 3 to 400%. So a lot of turnover. But
Mm.
as we coach companies, both big and small, we really talk about culture and really finding those like-minded people to get into it. If you have the wrong culture, in my opinion, and you maybe elaborate on this, but if you have the wrong culture, it's not good for the organization or overall, but it's also going to enhance or really bring that what am I looking for? That turnover percentage is going to just keep it going up and up.
So one of the issues, and it's very common for most organizations. So it's we go into business or we become part of a business that wants to do what we love to do. Go out there, work with the clients, and do
Yep.
all the fun stuff. And especially if you're a small business owner, one of the things that we tend to forget about until we have to do it is hire, because we know we have to, because if we're going to scale to kind of grow our businesses, we have to hire people to do the work with us.
Yep.
And there's a lot of preemptive work that needs to be done on that. And what I mean by that is just some experience on how to write a job description and how to intentionally hire for the role. Because sometimes we're so busy, we get so, in the need of another pair of hands and legs, that we tend to wear those rose colored glasses. And the thing is, a lot of people can do the work. That's not the problem. You can always show someone how to tactically do the work. It's who are you hiring to do the work? Because if you don't hire correctly, and I know I'm going to be preaching to the choir to a lot of these folks,
Sure.
you're going to get a lot of people that are not strategically using their PTO. I teach that to folks.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of work to do, but it's just a little bit of practice. And it has to be done really, really well on the front end so that you have someone that will last, because as we know, turnover is very expensive from the hiring. Then you have to let them go and kind of bring on someone else.